Did you guys see the new Lamborghini off-road Huracan? As I'm looking on these photos, it looks like something Whistle and Diesel just created, new car reveal. It's supposed to be their first all-terrain supercar. I don't know, if I want to go all-terrain, I would maybe get a Raptor or a TRX or whatever, so you can jump it and all that. It has all-wheel drive V10 engine, just like the Huracan, probably same horsepower. I mean, when you got unlimited money, yeah, it looks like a fun car, but if you don't have unlimited money and you just have limited sports cars, supercars, I don't know if this would be one to add. I would rather have the street version for track and all that. This one, just like some wide body pieces bolted on, give it some wheels, suspension, there you go. What do you guys think? If you had unlimited money, would you buy this thing? What would you do with it? Would you just rip it? Will it break right away? I'm not sure the purpose of what they were doing with this. I mean, it's a cool concept. They're doing something different, but I don't know if it's so useful and if it's gonna be used that often. It's probably gonna be like that Safari 911. Some people will use it, most will just store it, sell it for more later. What are your guys' opinion? Comment down below. Am I just stupid or do I have a point here? But what I'm excited more for is the new Aventador replacement. There's some leaked photos, but you can't really see anything, so I can't wait to see that and what it's all about. Hopefully it's a dual clutch, no single. Be a really nice one. But thanks for listening in, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.